Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate sales forecasting with Zoho CRM easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate sales forecasting with Zoho CRM, first, log into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the setup icon located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Scroll down to the automation section and click on workflow rules. Select create rule to begin. Choose the module you want to apply the forecast to, such as deals or sales orders. Give your workflow a clear name that reflects its purpose. Define the trigger for your workflow by selecting whether it should activate on creation, modification, or a specific schedule. Next, set the criteria for when the automation should take effect. You can use conditions based on deal stages, amounts, or any custom fields you have. Once you've defined the criteria, click Next to proceed. Now, select the actions you want the workflow to perform when triggered. Choose Custom Function if you need a tailored approach for your forecasting needs. If you're using a custom function, write your script to calculate the forecast based on historical data. Alternatively, you can set actions to send alerts or notifications when the workflow is triggered. After setting up your actions, review all your settings to ensure everything is in order. When you're satisfied, click Save to finalize your workflow. Test your automation by creating a new deal or modifying an existing one to see if the forecasts are calculated as expected. Monitor the results in the Reports section to analyze the effectiveness of the automation. Adjust your workflow as necessary based on the insights you gather from the reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.